Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope all has been well. In today's video, we will be making rosemary and fenugreek water spray. You're going to need fenugreek seeds, rosemary leaves, fresh or dry, whichever one works for you, and mason jar. If you don't have a mason jar, you could still do the spray. You just need a bowl, just like I'm using. So I went ahead and added my fenugreek seeds, and I'm going to add the rosemary. I love the smell of rosemary leaves. Now we know that rosemary is very powerful because it promotes healthy circulation to the scalp that supports strong, healthy hair strands. And as I've told you in my previous videos, that fenugreek seeds really does work. I use it as a tea, and I also use it on my hair. So you guys can go ahead and try it and let me know what you think. So after adding both, I'm going to add my water. Because I had a lot of rosemary seeds and fenugreek, I added a lot of water, and I'm going to go ahead and store this for 24 hours in a dark place. This is what it looks like after 24 hours. As you guys can see, the color has changed. I'm going to go ahead and add tea tree oil, Jamaican castor oil, and argan oil. Because this is the first time we're using argan oil in this channel, I'm just going to state some benefits. Argan oil promotes hair growth. It makes sure that infection is at bay. It nourishes the hair, which means that it promotes shine, and it prevents heat damage as well. That's all for today's video. As you guys can see, this was very easy to make. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.